Alright folks, and greetings from Finland, Scandinavia. Well, this is my 1984 C10 truck, Chevy Scottsdale. It has GMZ's grill, which I'm looking forward to replace with an original one. It has very nice patina here and there. And here's the interior. I think it's very nice. And well, as you can see, it's very sharp looking Chevrolet. Those cap corners are rusted out though, which I'm looking forward to repair them. And I'm also gonna replace the steering wheel with the original one because I don't like that one. So I prefer the original one. So, well, let's pop the hood. It has 305 small block with some L Brock stuff in it, and well, I don't know what else to say. It is what it is. I like it. So this is my truck. So whoever is watching this video, may God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.